Enchanted Butterfly Necklace, DIY Jewelry Tutorial. Let's start by checking the materials. Purple butterfly bead. Bell flower bead. Eight millimeters round purple beads. Gold charm butterfly bead. Hook and round ring connector. Three millimeters Bicone purple bead. Eye pins and flat end pins. Now, let's set everything aside. Oh right, let's not forget the gold chain. Cut 4 2mm gold chains into 1 centimeter each. Let's begin the making process. Take the flat end wire and slide the Bicone purple bead onto it. Then, slide the bellflower bead onto the same wire before sealing the wire with a loop using the round nose pliers. Cut the extra wire using my round nose pliers, as they have a cutter on them. It's a 2-in-1 tool. Make sure the loop is properly sealed to prevent the beads from falling apart from the wire. Next, take the eye-pin wire and slide a bead onto each wire. If you are using long eye-pin wires, you can reuse the extra that's being cut to make another eye-pin wire for the next bead. This applies to the butterfly bead as well. Let's add 2 more Bicone beads and flat end wire. Like what we did earlier with the other Bicone bead, slide the Bicone bead onto the flat end wire and seal it with a loop. Take the butterfly bead and open the bottom loop of the wire. Slide the bellflower charm with the Bicone bead in, followed by sliding 2 pieces of 1 centimeter chain in. Close the loop again to secure the chain and flower charm in place. Now take one of the 8mm round purple beads and attach one of the Bicone beads on the flat end wire to it. Open the other end and attach it to one of the chains that is attached to the butterfly bead earlier. Take one more 8mm round bead and attach it to the other chain. Close the opening. It will look like this, but there's more to it. Let's proceed. Grab the third 8mm purple bead and slide one 1cm gold chain in after opening one of the loops and closing it back. Attach the third bead by the chain to the bead without the Bicone at the end and seal it back. Take the last Bicone bead on the flat end wire and attach onto the third 8mm bead. It will look like this when everything combined. Let's proceed with the necklace chain. Find the end and open the last chain to slide the hook in. Make sure to seal it properly back so it won't fall. On the other end of the same necklace, attach the gold ring connector in. After that, slide the last 1cm chain in and together with the gold butterfly charm onto the gold ring connector. Find the center of the necklace chain. Grab the butterfly charms we made earlier and attach it to the necklace chain. And again, make sure it's sealed properly. There we have it, a purple butterfly charm necklace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY jewelry tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!